Imagine doubling your affiliate sales overnight sounds impossible. Not until you see these top Fiverr gigs that successful marketers are using right now to skyrocket their business. In the world of affiliate marketing, content isn't just king, it's the entire kingdom. Now you might be wondering, why is content so crucial? Think of it as the main highway that leads potential customers right to your affiliate products. Without it, you're basically invisible on the vast landscape of the internet. But not just any content will do. We're talking high-quality SEO, optimized content that speaks directly to your audience, solving their problems and answering their questions. That's where Fiverr comes into play. Imagine having access to a pool of talented content writers, each with the skills to craft exactly what your audience is searching for. These aren't your average writers. Many specialize in affiliate marketing strategies and know precisely how to integrate keywords naturally, ensuring your content not only reaches your audience but also engages them. This SEO optimization leads to higher rankings on search engines, and voila, the traffic to your affiliate links starts skyrocketing. But I hear you saying, I could write my own content. Sure you could. But think about the hours spent brainstorming, drafting, editing, and optimizing each piece. Every minute you're writing is a moment not spent analyzing your market, refining your strategies, or discovering new affiliate opportunities. By hiring a skilled content writer on Fiverr, not only do you get back valuable time, but you also ensure a steady stream of high-quality content, which, as we established, is your golden ticket to boosting those affiliate sales. Now take a moment and imagine doubling or even tripling your current affiliate sales. It's not just a daydream, it's a very achievable reality with the right approach to content. The question is, are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level by leveraging these indispensable Fiverr gigs? What are your thoughts on outsourcing content creation to boost your affiliate marketing efforts? Imagine scrolling through endless pages online, bombarded with visuals left, right, and center. What makes you stop and click? It's that professional eye-catching graphic that not only grabs your attention, but also seamlessly communicates a brand's message. This is precisely where the power of Fiverr's graphic design services comes into play for affiliate marketers. High-quality graphics elevate your promotional efforts, transforming raw data into stunning visuals that tell your product story in a blink. Professional-looking logos, compelling social media banners, and persuasive promotional materials aren't just nice to have. They're essential tools in your marketing arsenal. They're your frontline soldiers in the battle for consumer attention. On Fiverr, you can find talented graphic designers who specialize in creating visuals that are not only beautiful but tailored specifically for affiliate marketing. These visuals do more than just stand out. They enhance brand image, instill trust, and significantly improve engagement rates. But why does this matter? In a digital landscape where users' attention spans are shorter than ever, the right visual can make the difference between a scroll past and a click through. This means more eyes on your affiliate links, more potential conversions, and ultimately more revenue. And the beauty of it? You don't need to break the bank or be a design whiz. Fiverr gigs offer a variety of services tailored to meet your needs and budget, ensuring your affiliate marketing visuals are not just good, but exceptional. Now think about your current affiliate marketing efforts. Could they benefit from a visual overhaul? How might professional and captivating graphics change the game for you? Imagine launching your affiliate marketing campaign with confidence, knowing you've got not only stunning visuals, but also a powerful strategy guiding potential customers directly to your doorstep. The secret weapon, SEO or search engine optimization. Now you might wonder, why is SEO so crucial for my affiliate marketing success? The answer lies in visibility and connection. SEO serves as the roadmap that leads potential customers through the vast digital wilderness directly to your content. By optimizing your site and content for search engines, you're essentially lighting up a billboard that says, "Hey, right this way." But here's the kicker: achieving effective SEO isn't just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about understanding what your audience is searching for and how search engines rank content. This is where Fiverr comes into the picture. Think of Fiverr as your SEO toolbox. There are professionals ready to fine-tune your website, From keyword research that uncovers what terms your audience is actually searching for, to site optimization that ensures your site is not just visible, but also appealing to search engines. And don't forget the backbone of SEO. Backlinking strategies that signal to search engines your site is credible and authoritative. Now imagine this, your affiliate site climbing the ranks, reaching the front page of search results, and drawing in a flood of organic traffic. It's not just a dream, it's entirely possible with the right SEO strategies in place. But maybe you're thinking, can I really make this happen? What if we told you that with the right Fiverr gigs, you're already halfway there? So here's a question for you. What SEO strategy will you implement first to skyrocket your affiliate marketing success? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In the vast ocean of the internet, your affiliate marketing efforts can sometimes feel like shouting into a void. But what if I told you there's a megaphone that could amplify your voice to reach the very shores where your audience gathers? That megaphone is social media, a powerhouse in the digital marketing world. Visualize millions of potential customers scrolling through their feeds, and there's your product beautifully presented in a post that's just impossible to scroll past. That's the magic of social media marketing for affiliate success. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm no social media guru. How can I possibly compete? Well, that's where Fiverr steps in, offering a lifeline to those of us who want the results, but might not have the expertise or the time to pour into social media mastery. Imagine hiring a pro who crafts a social media strategy so fine-tuned that your affiliate products are not only seen but sought after. They help you create content that's not just share-worthy but save-worthy. Think about the peace of mind that comes from having your social media managed, leaving you free to focus on other aspects of your business. But it's not just about making noise on social media, it's about making the right noise. The difference between a shout into the void and a strategic, compelling presence is the quality of your social media strategy. With the right Fiverr gigs, you can transform your approach from sporadic posts to a well-oiled machine that drives traffic to your affiliate products effortlessly. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Have you tapped into the power of social media for your affiliate marketing? Drop a comment down below and share your experience or the strategies you're excited to try. In the realm of digital marketing, where every click and view can be the difference between success and obscurity, video content emerges as the king. It's powerful, persuasive, and paramount for anyone looking to leave a mark. Imagine turning your affiliate marketing strategy from a whisper amongst thousands into a resonant voice that captures and retains attention. This is where the magic of video production services on Fiverr comes into play. Visual storytelling has the power to transform your affiliate products from mere items on a web page to must-have solutions for your audience's problems. Picture this, an explainer video that breaks down complex products with simplicity and flair, making your audience think, "How have I lived without this?" Or a series of product review videos that feel like recommendations from a trusted friend, guiding viewers directly to your affiliate links with confidence. But it's not just about creating any video, it's about crafting content that resonates, engages, and converts. Fiverr's ecosystem is rich with talented videographers, animators, and scriptwriters, all equipped to bring your vision to life. From captivating video ads that stop scrollers in their tracks to engaging tutorials that educate and inform, these pros know how to weave narratives that not only tell a story but also drive action. And the best part? This level of professional video production, once gatekept behind hefty price tags and industry connections, is now accessible at your fingertips, customizable to fit your brand's voice and your campaign's goals. With Fiverr, there's an expert for every budget, ensuring your affiliate marketing doesn't just reach an audience, it captivates one. Now, as we explore the endless possibilities that engaging video content can unlock for your affiliate marketing efforts, I'm curious to know, what type of video content do you believe would have the most impact on your affiliate products? Share your thoughts and let's inspire each other with creative ideas that could revolutionize our strategies.